Cigarettes release nicotine into the bloodstream. This gives pleasure to smokers, but the nicotine leaves the body in no less than 6 to 8 hours. Most of it is released through the urine. When it comes to the nicotine that is stored in the smoker's body, it takes about 48 to 72 hours and a month for its byproduct to leave the body. Studies have shown that by eating more fruits and veggies loaded with vitamin C, you will eventually remove nicotine from the bloodstream more easily because these foods boost the metabolism. Public health researchers from the University of Buffalo did a survey throughout the country, which involved 1,000 smokers older than 25. 14 months later, the researchers have checked the smokers if they have eventually given up smoking during the last month. The results showed that participants who consumed the fresh fruits and vegetables were 3 times more inclined to stay off the evil tobacco when compared to people who ate less fresh fruits and vegetables for at least a month. The first group also showed better results regarding the nicotine dependency test and smoked fewer cigarettes during the day. There are several reasons why smokers who ate a lot of fresh foods could quit smoking more easily. Fresh fruits and veggies make people feel sated because individuals who smoke sometimes confuse hunger with nicotine or cigarette craving. Fresh foods lower nicotine dependence. Fruits and veggies have the ability to make the tobacco taste repulsive, which is not the case with alcohol, coffee, or meat. Healthier lifestyle choices help smokers say no to cigarettes. Foods and drinks versus nicotine. Nicotine dehydrates your organism, and water hydrates it. It helps you sweat out the nicotine from your body. Vegetables like eggplants, beans, cucumbers, and celery change the cigarette taste and decrease nicotine dependence, but be careful when consuming too many sweet veggies, because they are loaded with sugar that could eventually affect the balance in the pleasure areas in your brain and increase the desire for a cigarette. Nettle is high in iron, which does wonders when it comes to fighting infections. Kiwi pushes nicotine out of the body and restores the reduced reserves of vitamins A, C, and E. Pine needle tea is great for mouth and throat disinfection, and it has been long used for that purpose. It can also help you keep your lungs healthy. Orange is rich in vitamin C. This citrus fruit can provide enough of this vitamin because nicotine reduces the levels of vitamin C. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and folic acid. It is great for the body, and it also makes the tobacco taste repulsive. Broccoli is rich in vitamin B5 and C. It replenishes the loss of vitamin C and protects the lungs from toxins. Carrot juice is high in vitamins A, B, C, and K. Nicotine damages skin, and carrot juice improves skin complexion.